Walk through your processing plant, and you'll find many different field instruments for measuring pressure, temperature, flow, level, positioner, and many more. But keeping track of all devices and their measurement data is pretty difficult. In fact, did you know that up to 90% of device information is unused? Wouldn't it be nice to have an app that's smart enough to make all this field device data available and at the same time manages all your assets? Introducing Smart Asset Management with SITRANS SAM IQ. Want to know how the app works in my plant? Okay, I'll show you. With SAM IQ, I am always able to check the health status of all my devices, according to Namur NE107. This works with all my field instruments, no matter the type of device or manufacturer. Oh look, right now my level sensor is in a maintenance state. With SAM IQ, I can check the device's measurement and diagnostic data in detail. I can also compare values between devices with customized views, like the signal strength of each of my sensors here. The app's graphs show an anomaly from level sensor number 6. My maintenance staff will need to examine this device in more detail. Check out this helpful feature. SAM IQ knows the complete identification of all my devices, and it recognizes when a device was replaced or repaired and deployed at another location in the plant. Oh, I just noticed that somebody has changed the configuration here. Thanks to SAM IQ, I can easily recognize this and restore the previous settings. And don't forget, SAM IQ is optimized for my desktop PC as well as for my mobile devices. These days, field device management across my plant is much easier and more efficient using the truly smart asset manager, SITRANS SAM IQ.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.